Customizing alert notifications. Your Capello Safe and Sound radio is easy to set up and program for basic features as well as for some customization features. Once you have the basics set up like time, alarm, and county preference, you can also choose an alert type, how you want to receive your alerts. You can choose from voice, which is a tone sound followed by a voice broadcast, a steady siren tone for a period of time, or a silent display of scrolling text with no audible sound. To choose one of these three options, simply press the menu button and the up arrow button continuously until you reach Alt type on the display. Next, press the select button and either the up or down button to toggle through siren, voice, or display. When you press select for voice, you will notice an icon of Silhouette speaking appears on the display next to Noah. With this selection, you will hear a tone for 8 seconds, followed by the voice of your local broadcast channel with details of the weather or non-weather related emergency. If you select the siren option, you will see a speaker icon next to Noah on the display, and when you receive an alert, the tone will sound for 5 minutes or until canceled by pressing any button. The display option will only alert you by scrolling text on the display, and there will be no icon. Press select to save your choice of one of these three options and menu to exit. Advanced customization. There are more than 80 event codes distributed digitally by the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards network of transmitters. Your Safe and Sound radio will only receive alerts relevant to your geographic location or for the county code or codes you have programmed into your radio. Event codes have preset volumes of either high or low and indications of whether the volume level can be changed. In your instruction manual, there is a selectable alert reference chart that shows you a listing of event codes, a description and a level of each alert, the preset default volume, and whether enable or disable has been automatically set for a particular event. Events noted as high volume and enable with asterisks are the default settings, and you do not have to adjust alerts for these kind of events. If you want to change the alert volume for an event, you can do so by pressing the menu button and up arrow continuously until siren level is on display. Then press select and use the up or down arrow keys repeatedly to find an event description listed in alphabetical order. For example, if you want to change an avalanche warning alert volume from high to low, press select for that event description, then select again to toggle from high to low, and select one more time to save. Use the menu button to exit at any time. If you want to disable a particular selectable event, you can do so by using the menu button and up arrow continuously until you reach Defeat Siren on the display. Press select and change from enable to disable, and select again to save. If you live in a county that is susceptible to an avalanche, but you do not reside near a mountain, you can use this feature to opt out of any alert for an avalanche warning. Alt Test. To test the sound of your siren alert, press menu and up arrow continuously until Alt Test appears on the display. Press select to hear it, and select again to silence it. Your Safe and Sound radio can store up to 10 different alerts with overlapping effective times in its memory. If the radio receives a new alert while a previous alert is still in effect, it automatically displays the new alert as scrolling text. To review past alerts that are still in effect, press the down arrow to scroll through the last 10 active alerts stored in memory. No message will display if there are no active alerts. The Capello Safe and Sound clock radio allows you to customize many of the alert features, or simply use it with its default settings to ensure you and your family receive timely alerts 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.